You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you two RSI that you should use for your trading. The first RSI that you do know and the new one I'm going to show you. I'm going to do a comparison between the two, and you will like the new RSI I'm going to show you because it's the best when compared to the old RSI that you don't know. So watch this video to the very end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all the educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. Right here on Trading View, I am on the BTC USD chart, and this is a 4-hour chart. So I'm going to do comparison between the old RSI or the normal RSI you don't know and a new RSI I'm going to show you. So right here, you come here on here, then search for RSI, then you see relative strength index. I'll click on this one, and then if you look at it, it's on the chart. I will just bold it, and then I will remove this very one here. I'll go to settings, and then I'll go to style, click here, then I will increase the visibility just for visibility purpose. Then after then, I will go again to indicators, then I will search for Lego RSI. Okay, Lego RSI. So this one, you click on this, so it will be on the chart as well. So this is the Lego RSI, and this is the old RSI that you do know. So right at this very point, if you don't know how to use the RSI, from here, this very point on this very old RSI or the normal RSI you know is 70%. From here upward to 100 is overbought condition. That means market is going to come back down. Market has already overbuy, and then from here, that is 30 right at this point down, is oversold condition. That means market have already oversell. That's when market enter here. Market is going to move to the upside. Now, one thing very important about these two RSIs is that this first one operates the same principle with this very one. That means from here upward, this is 80. From 80 to 100 is overbought condition. That means anytime the market enter to this very area, the market is going to come back down. That means it's a good time to short the market or sell the market. And then when the market enter into oversold condition, that is from this area of 20 to the downside, that's to 0 right here, then the market is at oversold condition. And what that means, that market is going to move to the upside. One thing about these two RSI is that the first RSI, which is this one, have a lot of noise, and it is not good for your trading. If you look at it, market move to the upside, and you have this movement up and down. Market move up again, come back down, move up again, come back down, while the market was in a range. In fact, market was going down because from this point to this very area, market did not create a new high that is higher than this very area. Why this very new RSI, which is the Lego RSI, was coming back to the downside and enter into oversold condition before the market move up again, come back here, and finally move to the upside. So the purpose for this RSI, which is the new RSI, this Lego RSI have a special features which is called the Lego filter. What the Lego filter does is that it remove noise from the market. That is, this very noise that the normal RSI have, the Lego filter helps filter out those noise and helps smoothing the RSI and gives you a high probability entry. That means it gives you a nice entry compared to the normal RSI right at this very area. So it is good for you to use the Lego RSI compared to the normal RSI. Now, if you go back and check, this is a downtrend, and you know that in a downtrend, you're supposed to look for short opportunity. Let's say, for example, you were to enter short entries on this trade to the downside. We should be entering when the market, the sample, the RSI, enter into overbought condition at this area. You short the market, at this area you short the market, and at this very area you short the market. You discover that the only time you would have short the market with this very old RSI is at this very point to the downside. Why the Lego RSI give you more opportunity and more accuracy? From this very area, you will short the market for market to come back to the downside. Then from this very area, you could short the market as well, market to come back to the downside. And from this very area, you can short the market and the market will come back to the downside. If you look at it to this very area, you see from here, markets go right down, and then this area as well, market come back to the downside. And then if you look at this one did not even enter into overbought condition, talk less of taking a trade. So we could have taken one trade at this very point where the market enter into overbought condition. Another thing you have to understand is that the Lego RSI, when the market is flat like this, it means that the trend is very, very strong. Let's say, for example, in this case, we are in a downtrend, and when market form this kind of flat movement, it means that the downtrend is very, very strong. One other thing with this very RSI is that if you look at it, as market is moving to the downside, we have short move to the upside. See, market move to the upside, from here to the upside, then the RSI move again, market move to the upside, retracement before continuation to the downside. So, but for this RSI, you wouldn't have been taking any position while the market is moving to the downside, because it did not enter into the overbought condition at this area. But with the Lego RSI, you're supposed to enter a position here for a short, enter a position here for a short, and enter a position here as well for a short. Meanwhile, for this one, you could have entered only one position here for a short, while all these would have been missing out because it's not captured in this very old RSI. If you also look at it in previous historical price action, where you see the market begin to move to the upside, let's say, for example, if you look at this very area, markets move to the downside all the way from here, and at this very point, the old RSI come into oversold condition before the next move to the upside. Remember, at this very point, the Lego RSI was already at oversold condition, and afterward market begin to move up and then flatten. This flatness indicate that the market still have strength to move to the upside. Meanwhile, at this very point, the old RSI have already signaled you that the market is going to move to the downside, and it begin to move to the downside. Meanwhile, at this very area, you could have taken a buy position, because at this very point, market enter into oversold condition and the market begin to move to the upside. That is the exact same thing we see right here. And also at this very point as well, market enter into oversold condition, and afterward market begin to move to the upside. Exact same thing we see reflecting on the chart at this very area. So if you notice and then do your back testing very well, you discover that the Lego RSI is very, very powerful and more accurate compared to the old RSI. Not only that, the Lego RSI helps to filter out false signals and noise in the market, which help smoothing the market direction. So it is more preferable for you to use the Lego RSI compared to this old RSI. Just like we all know in technical analysis that you don't have to use one tool alone when you're using an indicator. You must have other tool or other indicator to confirm your entry. That is other factors of confluences that you are looking out for to confirm your entry. So that also means that you should not use the Lego RSI alone. Use it in combination with other tools in your trading arsenal. That is other technical analysis tool to further better the entry when you're using the Lego RSI. So this is the comparison between the old RSI and the Lego RSI. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. We are organizing a free training this month, that is on the 10th of June 2023. The link is in the description. Join the group right now. It is a free group, and if you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading, check the description. You see a contact and reach out to me immediately for training. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.